Hello everybody, after many requests to make a lion mask tutorial, here it is. Now this tutorial gets a little more complicated than my previous tutorials, but if you've made my other masks, this one shouldn't be too difficult. As for supplies, you're going to need some cardboard or EVA foam, some scissors, a pen and a marker, something to write with, some kind of elastic, thread, yarn, something to hold your mask together, and a hot glue gun. First, you're going to cut out this familiar shape out of cardboard or EVA foam, and then curve it so it fits your face. Next, you're going to cut out this piece for the snout. You're going to want to cut a straight line at an angle so that the snout sits a little bit lower, and you're going to want 2 of them. Curve each piece in towards its center, and 1 in each direction so you have them going in opposite ways. And once you have that done, you're going to want to glue them together like this. This is where things get a bit more complicated. You're going to want to cut along these 2 lines that I've drawn out, and then fold the front part over the back and glue it in place. This will create a curved shape for your snout that's more feline-like, and it's a little tricky at first, but once you get it glued, it should look like this. Now the next step is to glue it onto the mask, and after you've created this curved shape, glue them along the edges here, and create the snout. Here it is attached. The next step is to cut a rectangle with a pointed tip and bend it so that you can create the snout and the nose. Glue that on, and then trace the inside of the eye. This is where things get a bit more complicated. You're going to want to draw kind of a zigzag shape like this, one on the outside, one on the inside. You're going to cut out this piece, and then cut along the curved line. You should have 2 pieces that look like this. Take the inside piece, and trace it so that it's spiked on both sides. This is going to create 2 layers. Trace them so you have 2 of each piece, and line them up like so. This is going to create the front of the mane. I'd recommend gluing the front pieces first, and then gluing the ones behind it. Here they are all attached. Next, you're going to trace the top of your mask and draw 2 ears. Draw a little bit extra beneath it, and cut that out as well, so that you have an area to glue to the back of your mask. Attach them to the mask, and then that little part in the middle, you're going to want to leave so that you can draw the top of the mane. You're going to want to create this kind of shape. Ignore the line in the middle, you won't need it. Cut that out, flip it over, and glue it to the front of your mask. This will create the forehead mane. Next, take a pen or a pencil and poke 1 hole in either side. Tie a knot on your elastic and run it through, and do the same on the other side, and you have yourself a finished lion mask. I hope you enjoy.